What does a cloud engineer actually do? I've been working in the cloud for about 7 years now, and I want to give you the real inside look at what the day-to-day actually looks like. If you're watching this, you're probably interested in starting a career in the cloud. And honestly, it's one of the best roles I've ever had. It's in high demand, the pay is great, and it's actually exciting work. Once you see how it all fits together, I think you're going to be even more hyped to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether this path is the right fit for you. The first thing is to understand the sheer diversity of the work. As a cloud engineer, you aren't just doing one thing all day. One day, I might be using Terraform to build out infrastructure. The next day, I'm setting up a GitHub Actions pipeline to automate how code gets deployed. It's perfect for people who like solving puzzles and who enjoy seeing how different pieces of technology like to talk to each other. If you just want to sit and write code for 8 hours straight, you might prefer front-end or back-end development. But if you like being a jack of all trades and helping businesses build their dream setup in the cloud, this is the route to take. You're essentially the architect and the builder rolled into one. The second pillar is operations. This is where we get our hands dirty and actually build things. Think about a company like Netflix or Spotify. They have massive amounts of data and millions of users. They need engineers to move those operations from physical buildings into the cloud. That's how things become faster and more efficient. I mostly work in Azure, and instead of clicking around in a dashboard, I use infrastructure as code. This is a huge part of the job, writing scripts that can launch hundreds of servers at once. We also handle monitoring, making sure everything stays online, and fixing things if they go down. It's about being proactive so users never even know there was a problem. So what tools should you actually learn? It can feel overwhelming with all the options out there, but I recommend focusing on 3 core areas. First, the cloud platform. Pick one, AWS, Azure, or GCP, and learn it really well. AWS is the biggest right now, but Azure is used by a lot of big corporations. Second, Terraform. This is the standard for managing your cloud resources with code. Since it's cloud agnostic, you can use it across platforms. It makes you much more versatile. Third, CI/CD. These tools automate testing and deploying applications. Things like Jenkins or GitHub Actions. Here's a tip. Learn a little bit of Python. You don't need to be a software developer, but being able to write simple scripts to automate tasks will make your life much easier. And it'll help you stand out when you're looking for that first role. The final pillar is projects. This is really the best way to learn. And honestly, it's where the most fun is. Imagine a retail company dealing with a massive traffic spike on Black Friday, or a healthcare company that needs to store patient data securely. As a cloud engineer, you get to build those solutions. You might even work on internal projects, like moving an employee database to the cloud so people can easily access their benefits. The industry is only getting bigger. Every business is looking to modernize, and they need people who understand how to guide them through that process. I genuinely believe cloud engineer is one of the coolest jobs in tech. It's a career that's going to be relevant for a long time. If you're feeling stuck trying to learn all of this on your own and you want a bit more direction, I've put together some resources to help you bridge that gap. Check out the link in the description if you want help getting into a cloud career and staying on track with your goals. Hopefully this gave you a better idea of what to expect. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.